In this video, you learn how to remove Brave Search from Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So to remove Brave Search as an engine inside Google Chrome, all you have to do is go to the top right and click on the three little dots right here. Then go to the bottom and click on Settings. Then you have to go to the left and click on Search Engine. And what you first have to do is click on Change right here and change it to your preferred search engine. So we'll click on Google. You can click on Set as Default. Then what you can actually do right now is remove Brave Search completely. So you have to click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Once you're in here, you'll see Brave, search.brave.com. You can click on the three little dots next to it. Click on Delete. Then it will warn you again, but you can just click on Delete. And right now you've removed Brave Search completely from Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.